Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's already a sunny day over here in SoCal, but I am going to be catching up on some Supra work. So today I am going to recondition the entire front side and the suspension parts and the cross member. Here I have some degreaser and my Ryobi brush that is going to help me out with this step. The cross member, guys, looks so dirty, but the suspension parts, they're super greasy. Some of it even caught a little bit of rust. Of course, I'm gonna de-rust these studs here and the axle hubs, and I'm not gonna bring anything down. I'm not gonna restore it how I did the rear side, so this side's just gonna stay how it is. I'm just gonna clean everything up, and yeah, let's get started with this part first. Just so I don't make a super big mess, I'm going to start with spraying this side first. Now I'm gonna get to the other side. With this, I'm gonna put this over here on the side. I'm gonna take that out too. Okay, let's hit the middle now. Forgot about that part. Let's go. So, all of it. I know I should have probably reached that over there and put another plastic bag, but it's fine. While I let both of these sides degrease, I am going to remove some things from the engine bay. So that's going to be the next step. Throttle cable is not even connected, so we're gonna get rid of that next. All right guys, so I managed to remove the throttle cable. It was super stuck along the firewall, has a lot of rust around the clip, but I'm going to show you everything that I removed from the engine bay. So I have this little collection over here. This is an old solid steel pipe that was connected for the master cylinder. This is an old throttle cable, OEM, not going to be running that. And then this seems like it's a power steering cable. Not really sure what else it was connected to, but I have that. And I'm so happy because while I was doing this work, my neighbor just came to bring a package over that they left in the front. So super parts. Maybe should I show you guys what it is in this video? Nah, you guys can wait till the next video. There was so much oxidation at the end of the stud, so I had to use some vice grips to hold the end of the end link on the stud. So now I was able to remove this because using the regular Allen key was not working anymore. These are the ABS sensors. I'm going to be removing those too, just to kind of clean them up. Labeled, should probably get a new label on that because I'm not gonna be able to read it too well. guys, that looks pretty beautiful. I mean, it almost looks like a brand new upper control arm. Wow. That was quite a lot more work than anticipated on, to be honest, but it does look really great. Let's see if there's a way that I can get more of these, so I can either continue this right now, or if not, I'm gonna continue this tomorrow morning. So let's see. Good morning. So last night I ended up powering through. I made it work with what I had, and all of the front side parts look spectacular. So let me show you, because I'm excited for you guys to see now. And look at that. Look at that. It is almost completely degreased. You could still see, you know, a little smudge here and there, but nothing to worry about. Nothing too crazy. The job came out very well. That's the driver's side. So let me go ahead and show you the passenger side, guys. Look at that. Yeah, I think that was definitely the best that I was gonna do with what I had. So I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight, get some tips, clean this up, make it look spectacular, probably clean up these ABS sensors as well. And then I can go on to stabilizer bar time. So it's primed. Now can you guys guess what color I'm going to paint it today? Guess. Mamá, ¿quieres tamales? Sí. ¿De qué tipo? Okay. Let me get some tamales too. All right, guys, let's go. Hello, miss. Good morning.
Do your classes record, or they just, yeah?
They record, yeah. Are those new glasses from Meta? Huh?
Do you drive like a motorcycle, or you just have them?
Actually, I'm building a car.
Oh, okay.
But I haven't done any like point of view of driving yet. It's more so for that.
The green one?
Yeah, like right now this part is gonna go on my YouTube vlog. Getting this, yeah. Thank you. Alright guys, so I am back. I got everything that I needed, and my mom said that que ella iba a regalar los tamales, so that means that we're gonna have breakfast together. So I'm just gonna wait for her. I let her get the food instead. And I'm excited because I'm gonna be able to finish some of this work on the Supra. And okay, so I should be honest with you guys, because I haven't told you guys something, but I got a new daily, and I got it around the time that I knew the transmission on the Cougar was not gonna last. And if you guys haven't taken the hint yet, I've been recording some of my videos in this daily, and I'm in it now, but I'm not gonna share it with you guys until later. But that is coming up, so I thought it was great to give you guys a little heads up. All right, let's go. We're gonna try it out on one and see how it comes out. And it kind of melted onto the thing. So okay, so let's see how it comes out. See if it has a nice finish. Guys, look at that. Wow, so beautiful. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and coat the other ones now. Could have done a little bit better. Let me see what I can find to go ahead and do the insides of those too. Now that that is done, I'm going to work on these next. ABS sensors, driver and passenger side. And I'm going to use brake cleaner to clean them, but I'm also going to use this special ingredient, fuel. Guys, all of the axle hubs came out amazing, and now it's time for me to remeasure the stabilizer bar just to make sure that I get the right size for the bushing, since I'm gonna order that right now, and that should give it away what color I'm gonna paint this bar. And look, this is the old bushing. It's already worn out, dirty, ugly. And let's go ahead and see what size beautiful. 26. So 26 millimeters. That's what it measures out to, and that's exactly the size bushing that I'm going to need. So I'm already on StrongFlex's website. This is StrongFlex right over here, and they don't have 26, so I'm gonna have to do the custom option that they have. And well, there's no notes, so I don't know how they're gonna know that I need that size, but maybe with an email probably. But I'm also gonna get the one for the rear stabilizer bar. That one measures out at 22, so let me order that one as well. I have not prepped that bar, guys. Okay, so you know I have to prep it. But let me go ahead and order that one as well. Let's see. Okay. 22. There we have it. So I'm gonna use these two. Okay, perfect. So that's all I need. Oh, this color so far is pretty gorgeous, guys. Look at that. It's a perfect blue. This is actually the same kind of blue that I spec'd onto the subframe. Well, it is coming out really nice, guys. But alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode, and most likely in the next episode I will be able to also prep the rear part too. Since the bushings are already going to come in, I would love to kind of have it all done together. So thank you guys. Stay tuned for more. Bye.